Well, hi there, gang. It's me, your best friend, Ashaan. Today, we're gonna talk about the Knex announcement, the updates and announcements. And so, here we have the Knex Mario Kart Wii, Mario and Donkey Kong Beach Race, and it's with $150 Canadian, and it's from eBay.ca. My dad says it's only a Canadian dollar, not a United States one. Nuh-uh. And I know I like this Mario Kart Wii though, huh? You know, and so anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Catch you later. Goodbye.